Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add multiple photos on Instagram story using the Instagram application on your mobile device. Creating a fun and dynamic Instagram story with multiple photos can give your followers a fuller glimpse into your day, event, or creative mood. So in order to add multiple photos on Instagram stories, first of all, open up the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen in order to open up the story camera. Once you see the camera screen popping up on your screen, go ahead and tap on layout on the left-hand side of the screen under boomerang. Now, you can go ahead and take a picture from your device's camera, or if you want to add an existing picture from your device's camera roll, tap on the thumbnail gallery button at the bottom left. This will now take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select images. Choose your photo you'd like to add to your story one by one. Once you select a photo, the next grid will open up. Now repeat the same step by going to your device's gallery, selecting another image, and repeat the process for more images you want to upload. Right after you do that, click on the tick mark at the bottom and you can then go ahead and add filters, effects, stickers, text, or drawing, or even reposition or resize your image. Once you are done, if you want to add the picture to your story, you can tap on your story at the bottom left, or you can also send it to close friends if you prefer more targeted sharing. Sharing multiple photos in your story is a creative way to narrate a day, event, or theme. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.